Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian if you're new here, and welcome to the Brian's Life YouTube channel. I also go by Brian too, but this is a separate channel. Anyways, today I'm very excited because I have in this box the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we are going to unbox it together. This is like a yearly tradition for me. I've been doing this every year on YouTube since iPhone 12, so I've done this every year and I'm very excited about this. You may have noticed that I unboxed an iPhone 14 Pro on my channel in June this year, but I don't know what you guys are talking about. I didn't unbox an iPhone in June. You guys don't make any sense. Like, that never happened. I don't know what you're talking about. Long story short, I got this phone and I'm very excited about this phone. So as you know, I'm upgrading from the iPhone 14 Pro. I love new iPhones. I do this pretty much every year. It doesn't cost me that much money because I do trade this phone in at Apple and I get a significant discount on the newest phone. So let's just get into it. I need to unbox this phone. I am super excited about it. Rip that. Ooh. Rip that, and let's see the box for the first time. There it is, there it is, there it is. Okay. Okay, okay. The box is so pretty. Look at this box. Oh my god. Look how pretty this is. Give it a moment of shine. It's time to shine. The iPhone 15 Pro Max in white titanium, 256 gigabytes of storage. This box is beautiful. It's beautiful and more beautiful than me. It's gorgeous. I am very excited to have a max size iPhone again. Like I said, I switched to the iPhone 14 Pro in June because I really did not like the size and the weight of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This year's iPhones are lighter, so I'm very excited about this. Even the box, these two like feel the same. Like, that's crazy to me. Like, these two literally feel the same. It is a bigger screen, and we get also the 5x optical zoom, which I'm very excited about. With the peels, that was so satisfying. Let's do the peel. That is so satisfying. Are you guys ready for this? I'm so excited for this. Here it is. Oh. You are so pretty. Oh god. Look how pretty this is. My child. Just give her a moment to shine. Look at that. Look at it. It looks beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to take it out of the box. It is just gorgeous. Oh my god. So let's take this out of the box. So we have a little thing. Oh, the titanium. Oh my god. This is light. This phone is light. It's lighter. I swear I'm not joking, guys. It's lighter than this phone. I'm not even fucking joking. This phone is lighter than this one. It feels lighter. And here is the titanium sides. Honestly, I was clowning on the titanium sides to begin with.
Bitch, you weren't just clowning, you were straight up fucking hating that shit. You called it ugly, trash, disgusting. I don't know what I was thinking.
But they look good. They look freaking good. Like, I'm so used to the Pro Maxes being so heavy, annoying to lug around, but this feels light. Feels like nicer in the hands. Like, okay, so look at, the whites are a little bit different, as you can see. Obviously, shiny sides versus matte sides. It looks so good, but this literally, I swear, I'm not even joking. This feels lighter. This feels lighter than this. I literally think I'm going crazy, but I'm not. This feels lighter. So as you can see now, so we'll do more comparisons there a little bit. And here she is. Look at her. Wow. So yes, as I said, the whites are a little bit different this year, so that's kind of cool, but I'm very happy, I'm very pleased, I'm very excited, so oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Sorry, I had to take a fangirling break because I'm literally so obsessed with how beautiful this phone is. So let's boot it up for the first time. There it is, it's turning out for the first time, oh my goodness. Oh, hello! hello phone. Wow. So you can see the new bezels. They look so much thinner. They look so good. Let's swipe up. So we speak English and we are in the United States. Oh, there's an appearance. So there's a default appearance, there's a medium appearance, and there's a large appearance. Okay, so we'll do default because it looks good. Continue. This is new. Okay, quick start. Setting up my phone right here. So we're going to not transfer everything, honestly. We're going to activate it. So it's going to activate it on my service plan. So transfer another phone. We'll do that. So we're going to transfer number. So, alright. Unable to transfer. Oh. Okay, well, we can't transfer my phone number right now, so we're going to continue that later. So we're going to do that later. So we're... Okay, so it's telling there's a software update because apparently you have to update your phone if you want to transfer directly from the phone, but we're not going to do that, so we're going to hit update later. We're going to continue with data and privacy. Face ID, so let's get Face ID set up. And the camera looks a lot better. I'm not even joking. So we are going to not transfer anything. We're going to start fresh on this phone. So now we're going to log into my Apple ID. Okay. Well, we're having some struggles. We're having some struggles right now, so I don't know what it's doing, but... Okay, well, I'm going to pause because it's being a little bit weird right now, so we're going to pause really quickly. Alright, it's asking to do a complete terms and conditions, sure, whatever. Look at the sign-in animation, that is so cute. That is freaking adorable. Verification, try again. What is it doing? It's freaking out right now. Oh, that's fantastic. So the phone is freaking out right now. We're having some issues, so we need to reboot the phone. I've never had issues with like this before. It's like literally like, all right, we need to restart it. Well, there wouldn't be an iPhone day if there wasn't a bunch of glitches and issues, so I'm currently downloading the software update that I decided to skip over, which clearly screwed me over. So we're gonna unbox the case I got for it. So I got the Apple clear case. We can, ooh, that was nice. And then, ooh, pretty. There it is. Ooh, nice. This is a nice case. So here it is. This is gonna take some time. How are you guys doing? You guys doing good? I'm doing pretty good. I'm very happy about this phone. Even the case looks so nice. Look at that. That's so pretty. It looks so beautiful. I'm very happy with my purchase if it will update the software. So I think we're getting somewhere now that it's updated. So hopefully we can finish this setup because the connection to iCloud timed out. What do you mean? Continue! What is going on? What if my freaking Wi-Fi? Alright, so we're not gonna transfer anything, so this is gonna make us iPhone. We're gonna continue. We will, sure, we'll do we're gonna transfer my phone number now. Let's see if that's going to work. Unable to transfer number. Now, thank you. Continue. There's a silent mode now, so we'll continue that. Okay, the action button. So now we're time to customize our action button. So press and hold this will just turn it on silent and mute so we can customize it. So let's do that because we don't want it to be mute. So we are going to, for now, we're going to use the camera shortcut. So we're going to do that for now. Welcome to iPhone. We finally made it. Let's go. Here we are. We're finally in my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm so excited. So yes. So let's try out this action button, right? So we press and hold and it brings right into the camera. Okay, cool. So let's do a camera test. So you can do portraits now in photo mode. Wow. This camera is really, really good. Even the front camera is a lot nicer now, which is super cool. So let's try out this 5x optical zoom. So that's 2x. Oh my goodness, it gets so close. So here is one of our first 5x photos. Ooh, that is cool. What you do is you press and hold the action button and it opens up the camera right away. Wow. And then you can also use the action button. I literally forgot what's in the rest of the box. People care about us sometimes, so we got this like little pamphlet. But the big star of the show is our USB-C cable, so let's open this up. Look at this cable. This cable's nice. This is definitely like the nicest iPhone cable ever. A USB-C on an iPhone. Wow, that is sick. Okay, so it has been many hours later. I finally have this phone almost completely set up now. Still kind of customizing it and everything. Let me just say that the worst part of getting a new phone is signing into every single fucking application. That takes forever. It took me literally hours. Like I said, there is going to be a what's on my iPhone video for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so look out for that. Now it's time to start talking about the really cool new features of this phone. Camera is definitely one of my favorite new stuff in the phone. Is a 5x optical zoom, and as you can tell, it zooms in very closely. It's so nice, especially the fact that you can also zoom in up to 25 times. The quality of the pictures are definitely a lot nicer. I feel like there's less noise, it's less grainy. If you had an iPhone 14 or even an iPhone 13 before, you would know that a lot of the pictures, even the videos, would be kind of a little bit over processed, and this time it's not as aggressive. There's still a little processing, but of course that's just going to happen. But that 5x optical zoom is going to be so freaking useful going to concerts, zooming into things far away. I'm super glad that I got the Pro Max just for that feature. Other new things I love the action button. Like I said, right now action button is on the camera for me, which is really convenient. It's really quick. I also absolutely love the design of this phone. The titanium frame is just beautiful. The titanium frame is just literally gorgeous. Like, it is so good. The funny thing is I clowned on this phone so much when it was released. I hated this phone when it first came out, okay? I thought it was ugly and gross, but that's because the Apple marketing images literally zoomed into this titanium edge and it looked gross. It is so much better in real life. It's not as rushed as it looked like on the website, which I'm super glad about. Another amazing new feature is, of course, the USB-C port. I'm super excited about that. I have an external SSD here, so let's see what happens when I plug my external SSD into my iPhone 15. There is the WD 1TB SSD. I can actually look at the files on here on the phone, which is really just freaking cool. I think that's awesome, especially as a content creator, being able to take things quickly off this phone and upload it to my Mac. That is just super exciting. Very excited about that. Just the way this phone feels. This phone is probably the lightest Pro Max they've ever created, and you can definitely tell. I'm really loving this phone. This is awesome. I'm super glad I got a Max size phone again. If you have been on the fence of getting a Max size iPhone because of the size and the weight and stuff like that, definitely go into an Apple store and definitely hold this phone for yourself, because I promise you this phone will feel so much better now. I'm very excited about this. Alright guys, so we are now officially set up. We're in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I'm going to do some amount of customization later and uninstall all my apps, because I literally have no apps on here, no nothing, not even cellular service on here, so we're going to do that later on. But anyways, that was the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what iPhone model you're looking at. Let me know that in the comments. I also released a new EP called Digital Funeral. It is out now on YouTube and SoundCloud, so be sure to listen to that. Links are down in the description down below. I hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you guys later. Bye!